Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing simple blockers. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and not behind a captive portal. Disable VPNs temporarily so Apple servers can respond. Once done, set the device date and time to automatic and update iOS. Apple checks timestamps. Then open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone or go to Appleid. Apple. Calm and choose Create your Apple ID. Do this now so the account flow starts cleanly, and errors from mismatched times or blocked connections don't appear. Next, focus on fields that commonly fail. Use an email address that isn't already an Apple ID. Apple flags duplicates. Choose the correct country or region because billing and verification rules vary. Add a valid payment method only if required and enable two-factor authentication or be ready to receive verification codes. If you hit errors, sign out of iCloud, restart the device to clear transient issues, and retry creation. Alternatively, use a different browser or device to finish by verifying the email Apple sends. Enter the code promptly because expired codes cause repeat failures. Read and accept the terms, choose strong security questions, and enable two-factor authentication so the account is fully provisioned. Sign out and back in to confirm the Apple ID works across services. If you still get the "could not create Apple ID this time" message, capture the exact error text and time. Then contact Apple support or try creating the ID from a different network or device as a targeted troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.